Great storytellers are intentional about how all of the visual, linguistic, and audio components of their creations contribute to meaning making. This attention is especially important in a language that you are learning because all of these elements are culturally situated, or in other words, they may take on different meanings based on the cultural context at play. One great way to take stock of these elements is to create an ongoing illustrated digital language learning journal. Use this journal to describe the communicative context in the target language, document the multimodal information you notice in this context, and draw connections between multimodal information and meaning. For example, if you want to write a comedic social media post in the target language, start by searching for other creators' humorous posts in that language. In your journal, document the different streams of information that contribute to the meaning of what is being said, signed, or otherwise conveyed. Specifically, document what you notice about the words or signs used, facial expressions or gestures, sounds or music, visuals, or responses from others. Then, reflect on what you noticed. How do each of these aspects add to the meaning or story of the post, which help to convey the humorousness of the situation? Repeat this process, documenting what you find. You can also use the journal to draw connections between the posts. What similarities and differences do you notice? What do you think makes any of the posts successful and why? Once you've explored others' posts, create your own. Use your journal to document the layers of multimodal information you used in your post, and once you've gotten responses from followers, reflect on these in the journal. What kind of interactions and feedback did you get? Written comments, likes or other emojis, reshares, remixes, or stitches? Was your creation successful? How do you know? Now get out there, engage your audience, and hone your storytelling skills. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure to like and subscribe.